Hey, what's up, good people out there? This is Graphic King, bringing you more royalty and digital artworks. Today I'm going to be showing off my deluxe CD cover deal for those that may want to purchase one from me in the future. This video is going to show you how I get down, the steps in the process that I go through. This one is Memphis Smoke. As you can see, I'm kind of doctoring on the photo right now. I didn't have much to work with, but you just give me a little bit and I'm gonna do what it do, you know. As you can see, I'm improvising, and I'm pretty much just manipulating the photo to get what I want the photo to do, the end product to do. I combined and I added and I took away, and what you see on the screen, it's going to be a beautiful finished product. Of course, his name is Memphis Smoke. He's a rapper from Memphis, Tennessee. On this design, I use Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm tracing him out, and I have to make pretty much have to make the figure of him first. All right, so I'm tracing him up, adding the details, and it's starting to look more and more like a cartoon figure of the rapper Memphis Smoke. All right, the details are very important. I'm real big on details, so I kind of take my time and I do everything right because I am a addict for the finished product. Okay, I'm the type that if it's not good when I'm all done, I will delete everything. No matter how long it took, I will delete it and I will start over. So from the start of the project, I want to do everything right, so I take my time. As you can see on your screen, I pretty much used the rose design in his shirt to incorporate into his name. Of course, you know S-M-O-K-E spells smoke. So the rose in his shirt is going to be holding the place of the O in smoke. And it's going to be pretty neat when I'm done with it, especially after I add all the colors. It's going to be pretty dope. So what you're seeing is, you know, I'm pretty much making a miracle happen from a not so great photo or a group of photos. And that's one thing I like to do. I like to combine photos together to make that perfect image for what I'm going to be doing. So I'm coloring in stuff and I'm adding stuff in. And you know, this video is designed for you to see exactly what I do, because most people don't want to spend some money and not know what to expect back. So this is doing a lot of people a good service when it comes down to shopping with Graphic King. Okay, we got a nice little motion going on right now. It's starting to look more and more like him. Of course it would look like him because I'm tracing a photo of him. Okay, so if I do everything right, you'll see him in the end results. Okay, so I'm coloring in the rose. Of course, red is the color of a rose for the most part. There are different color roses, but today is going to be red, the normal rose. And it's coming together. Everything is coming together, man. A lot of people think that I do these on a cellular phone app, a smartphone app, but me personally, I don't get down with smartphone apps. You know, to me, I do not view that as graphic design. All right, and I'm matching the cartoon. I'm creating a cartoon texture of his skin.
I just like this.
All right, and you pretty much have to balance everything out. You have to add the shadows and the different effects, so you get a neat and decent looking cartoon in the end. All right, I don't want his lips to look so pink, so I kind of take away from the pink. All right, and I'm working on his dreadlocks and everything. And as you can see on the right side of your screen, he has blonde in his dreads. So I want to incorporate the blonde in the cartoon figure, because it only makes sense and it's only right. All right, like I mentioned before, the shadows and everything, the details is very important. All that stuff adds to the product, and it makes for a happy customer at the end of the day. So, you know, these cartoons will never be perfect, and really no graphic design can be 150% perfect, but you can do the best you can do. So that's what I try to do. To anybody that's a designer that may be looking at this video, please soak up the game, take notes, and you know, do your best with it. A lot of stuff that I do doesn't work out, so you know, I will try some stuff, and if that doesn't work, I'll try something else until I get the results that I want. Okay, so this is a deluxe CD cover deal. So of course this is going to be coming with a video too. It's called an audio spectrum, or some people call it an audio reaction video. All right, but that's coming a little bit later. As you can see, I'm adding in more cartoony details to this character, Memphis Smoke, because you want the details to pertain to the real Memphis Smoke. Somebody needs to see this video, the cover, and they need to know exactly who it is without any shadow of a doubt. So you have to do what you must do to incorporate that, because at the end of the day, you want people to know who it is. It doesn't need to say Memphis Smoke on it or the artist's name on it and not be him. Okay, so I'm adding in a silhouette of the most common parts of Memphis, Tennessee, which would be the bridge, the pyramid, you know, downtown, the scenery, even though there's much more to Memphis. Okay, as you can see, I incorporate the smoke and the flames, because you know, flames would be associated with smoke. So you know, that made sense to me. And one thing I like about this client of mine, you know, he allowed me to do my thing. And I love it when customers let me do my thing on their project. That takes all the shackles off my ankles and my wrists, and it lets me do what I think needs to be done. Now, ideas from the customer is a great thing, but I love it when my customers tell me, hey, GK, do your thing, buddy. So I love it. Okay, I'm adding in the different details. His label is Hand It Over Gang. The name of the song is Slow Your Roll, and it's a very positive song. So you're going to see all the different positive messages that I put in this cover. All right. Generally, in a cartoon design or painting, or really any mixtape cover and stuff, you know, there should be some type of silhouette of light or effects of light in the eyes. So that's what you see me doing right now. I'm adding light in to his eyes, kind of putting like an effect, like he's looking at something that's bright. Okay, and he's in front of a lot of fire, so I had to put the yellow and the orange in there. Okay, and shadows and details and everything is very important. So that's what you see me doing right now with the Slow Your Roll title. You don't want your stuff to look stupid and straight to the point, because that's not royalty in digital artworks. Okay, you want to treat the customers right, and you want them to get the best product, no matter how long it really takes. As you can see right now behind Smoke, it's a lot of different do's and don'ts that Memphis, Tennessee needs to know about. Somebody needs to talk to the youth and the people in the streets out there, and that's one thing I like about this song. Slow Your Roll. It's telling people they need to slow down. You're moving too fast. You know, it's a lot of that going on in Memphis, Tennessee. So as you can see, I'm putting in the different messages, and it's much needed. It's much needed. And Memphis Smoke highly appreciated this whole cover right here. And you know, he actually said it was the best cover he ever had. And, you know, I'm proud to have given him this service. So you can see the different messages. As you can see, trap, don't trap. It's telling people to stop hating. It's telling people to love yourself, live, grind, you know, take care of your business, let go of the murder, keep it 100, you know, and different other messages that are conducive to a good environment in Memphis, Tennessee. Okay, so take notes. If you want to shop with Graphic King, you would be making a good decision, because you know Graphic King does do his thing when it comes down to designing, and when it comes down to making sure the customer is happy. That's what royalty in digital artwork is all about. That's what Graphic King means. It doesn't mean I'm the best. It means I'm going to do my best to make sure you're happy. Okay, and I mentioned before that this comes with a video. So here's an intro, and this is the actual audio reaction video or audio spectrum video. Okay, all that designing that I was doing, it wasn't just for a cover, but it was also for this video, the sake of this video. And I could do many things, but I kept it to this degree, what you're seeing right now. Okay, as I mentioned before, the song is Slow Your Roll, and you can see the background is pretty much reacting to the bass in the song. And you can see the EQ lines in the front with the balls and everything. That's reacting to other parts in the song. And that smoke and the flame and everything is animated. So that's what an audio reaction video is all about. And that is included in the deluxe CD cover deal. It's a very cool deal, and it's very worth the little money that it costs. Okay. Thank you for checking out this video. Visit me at thegraphicking.com, and you know, you can browse my different packages, my other offers and everything. And you know, but as far as the deluxe CD cover deal, it's very much worth it. And if you want to purchase, just go to the site and click on the album, CD covers, mixtape covers, or whatever, and you'll find it. If you want to view this particular project up close and personal, the actual official files, just go to facebook.com/HireGraphicKing. Okay, and of course, you know, in every video that I do, I give the producers their due credit. So without further ado, here goes the producers of the beats that you heard in this video. Thanks for watching. May the Most High bless you guys, and come back, man. Come back and check me out. You know, it's Graphic King, royalty and digital artworks.